Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with FlatexDEGIRO platform. Review my usage experience. FlatexDEGIRO platform. Review my usage experience offers a combined brokerage and investment platform for online trading of stocks, ETFs, and other financial instruments. It's aimed at individual investors and traders who want a low-cost, self-directed approach to investing. Key features include access to multiple markets, fractional share trading, and various charting tools. Their website provides details on specific offerings and fees. FlatexDEGIRO positions itself as a low-cost alternative to traditional brokerages. They highlight their transparent pricing structure, no hidden fees, and the lack of contracts. The platform uses a straightforward, web-based interface. Availability is across Europe, but specific details on country-specific offerings are on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using FlatexDEGIRO. Getting started was straightforward. The registration process was quick, and the onboarding tutorial guided me through the essential steps. Navigating the interface was mostly intuitive. I particularly appreciated the customizable dashboard, allowing me to track my portfolio's performance and easily access frequently traded assets. I used the charting tools extensively and found them responsive and accurate. The speed of order execution was impressive, trades usually went through within seconds. I had a question regarding tax reporting one time, and their support team responded via email within 2 business days with a clear and helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the order placement process was, and the ability to set up alerts for price movements was a significant benefit. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited educational resources available on the platform compared to some competitors. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with FlatexDEGIRO. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and provided a cost-effective way to manage my investments. That's my overview of FlatexDEGIRO platform. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.